Hi there. So if you're looking to learn how to trade options or get started with options trading, this video is for you, because in a minute I'm going to reveal a presentation from one of the world's leading options traders of how you can make all the money you need in any market using a single stock. And this is such a great thing if you're getting in options trading, because I think what a lot of people do, or where they go wrong with options trading, all sorts of other trades, they just try and trade loads of different stocks all at different times in many different markets, never really specialize on one stock or in one sector, and nothing works. The key to trading, whether it's crypto, options, or anything else, is to become an expert in something and just focus on one industry, one stock at a time, and trade that stock time and again using options. And this is what this strategy is all about. Now, if you're not really familiar with options trading, it's basically a trading strategy that allows you to place trades and make a profit or a loss whether the price goes up or down, which means it's a perfect trading strategy for the current market we're in. In fact, it's great for any market, but now when the market's very volatile and the market's falling due to rising inflation and other things, options trading is a really viable trading strategy to bring in to your trading on stock portfolio. And whilst I'm going to let Larry Benedict, who's the guru here, who's going to show you his strategy in this presentation, his trading strategy is basically to pick one stock, one ticker, and use various strategies that he has to find the perfect indicators to be able to place trades multiple times to make great profits. Now, Larry Benedict, he was a hedge fund manager, ran a huge hedge fund, and he used the very strategy to make millions, tens of millions, hundred millions of dollars for his clients in his hedge fund using this very strategy. It is so simple, this strategy. There's nothing complicated about it, because you're just focusing on one single stock at any time to make trades. And what Larry's going to do in this presentation is he's going to walk you through his strategy. He's actually going to give you a demonstration of his strategy in action. And he's also going to give you the name of a ticker that you can trade using this options strategy. It's a great presentation. Highly recommend you watch it. If you want to watch this presentation, I'll put a link down below in the description. Now, if you want to go deeper and work with Larry and go really deep into how his strategy works, he's got a product called One Ticker Trader, and he's the editor and owner of the Opportunistic Trader. And this is an options trading program that teaches you his strategies of how to trade options. I've been a member now for about a month. I really love it, and I'm ready to start placing some calls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you get with One Ticker Trader. And spoiler alert, you might think this is really expensive, this course. This isn't. This is so affordable. You'd be silly not to take it if you want to get into options trading. Literally, I won't spoil it for you, but you will fall off your chair when you realize how cost effective this program is. So I'm just going to show you very quickly what you get with the Opportunistic Trader or One Ticker Trader. Basically, you get issues and updates. So whenever Larry and his team issue a buy alert, you'll be notified here. And he's also got a monthly newsletter giving you all the latest information you need to know. Next thing is the special reports. This is the favorite part for me. So basically, this guide here gives you his complete strategy of how his whole option strategy, his strategy, all the research he does, how he chooses trades, how he places trades, and also he gets you going of how to place your first ever trades and opening an investment trade account if you haven't got one. Now this one is where he goes into his strategy in greater detail, which is the one ticker retirement plan, of how he uses one ticker, one stock to make trades using options time and time again for massive profits. And this tells you, this basically gets you going with options and gives you how he places options, chooses options and stocks to pick. This is the strategy of how he trades one ticker at a time to make big profits. And he also gives you a couple of tickers in there to get started with. And this one is the portfolio, which is all of the stocks Larry and his team are trading now, as well as his members. So this is a great program. I love it. I'm not an options trading expert by any means. I'm more into crypto, but I got into options because crypto market's so volatile and I wanted to make profits whether the market rises or falls. And this is the perfect strategy to do it with. And I'm so glad I found Opportunistic Trader. Now, normally this program will cost $199 a year, but you can get started today with this program for only $19, which locks in your membership for a whole year. $19. And you can get in here once you sign up. You can get everything, go through all of this, start placing trades, and if for whatever reason you don't like it, you can get a full money back guarantee within 60 days. Now, if you want to join One Ticker Trader, I'm going to put a link down in the description down below. You know, take a look. For $19, I give it a go. It's a great program. It is, and it's such a unique strategy, and it's a great way to get started in trading options. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful, informative. If you wanna watch the presentation, I'll link this down below where Larry goes into detail about obviously one ticker strategy. But if you actually want to join the Opportunistic Trader and One Ticker Trader and join for only $19 and start going deep on his one ticker trading strategy, then I'll put a link down below. You can join for $19 and you get a full 60 days to try it out to see if you like it or not. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.